We all know how it goes. Everything is going as planned until it's not. Fortunately, Jane is a member of AAA, so she can trust that legendary 24-hour roadside assistance will quickly be on the way. Jane can request the service she needs by using the AAA app or by making a quick call. Plus, with Service Tracker on the AAA app, Jane can follow the AAA truck in real time, giving her the peace of mind that help is on the way. Jane can have her car towed to a mechanic of her choice, or she can select a AAA-approved auto repair facility that meets and maintains high professional standards while offering AAA members priority service and a 24-month, 24,000-mile parts and labor guarantee on mechanical repairs. So if something gets in the way of a perfect day on the road, roadside assistance from AAA is only a phone call or click away.